So today's video is going to involve this Gorilla Glue and these shoes here. In case you didn't know, these shoes kind of came apart. They more of a vintage style shoe. They come from Goodwill and they got one use out of them. They ain't my shoes, by the way. I got, more of, flip-on boots. I'm more of a easygoing type of guy. But these boots is for somebody else, and I'm going to try to fix them using Gorilla Glue. And this is why. The hand is going through them because they got a hole in them. And we're going to take this Gorilla Glue. Is that a good thumbnail? Wait, let me know in the comment section. Like, can we fix it? Let me know. Did you click on it because of the thumbnail? My hand's stuck. Rambling on. So, this is the original Gorilla Glue. You sure have seen the commercials. Gorilla Glue actually makes several different types of glue. They make a really good super glue style. It's not exactly the same as super glue, but it's pretty much the same, but it's a little bit different. But it works really good, especially for like repairs and stuff on like plastic and stuff like that. So that's open. This stuff will expire after a while, so try to keep it in the dry away from moisture, and it may be a Ziploc baggie because it cures using moisture. So you seen the damage of the shoes. A lot of people probably tell me these is unrepairable, but they ain't sewed together. They just glued together. Like, okay, the sewing is just for looks. So I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to take this off because I don't want Gorilla Glue on the side of the shoe if it does work. This might not work. This might be a failed video. You might be watching this video and like, that's not going to work, and it might work. Well, you might be correct. It might not work. So we're going to mash this in as far as we need it, and hopefully it don't come apart anywhere else. God, dog, look, you see that? Yeah. So the way Gorilla Glue works is you damp the area that you're going to glue. That's why we got water here and a microfiber. We're just going to soak it, and we're going to lightly damp the area. Now you can basically not damp the area and use it, and it's not going to dry. Well, eventually it'll dry, but it's going to take forever. But we damp this whole area here. And I got tape here so we can wrap this. If you're using wood or something like that, you have to glue it. So open this up. Let's go ahead and add some super glue. Super glue. So let's add some. Oh God, that came pop from the inside too. Let's add some glue all over. So you want to do lightly on it because it will expand out. And you can clean it up beforehand, So we'll put that right there, just like so. Now I'm going to go over this and wipe off what glue we don't need, the excess basically, just like so. And then we're going to tape it. We're going to tape this because we need to, because it needs to be held in place. So we're just going to take some tape. Oh God, I got a weight in it, and tape a shoe up. Oops. If you're doing this, neatly tape your shoe, just like so. And you can take you a rag or something and put inside here to keep pressure on the inside out, so this you know, will cure. So I'm going to give this overnight. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and then we see how they turn out. So we got the shoes. It's been 24 hours. Let's go ahead and I guess unwrap them. You can see from the video that we do got just a tiny bit of, I guess whatever that is, foam. Yeah, how about this? Oh, okay, that one's got a little bit more. And I think that can be cut off, can it? I think it can. Oh God, that's gonna be hard to unwrap. Good thing we got these big gigantic scissors. You seen nothing. We didn't put a hole in the shoe. Don't know what you're talking about. Never happened. Here we go. Boy, did that stick. I think the tape stuck better than the glue. This is just old packaging tape too, you know. It's usually don't stick to anything as good. Okay. I don't know if the shoes is gonna be fixable. So getting a close-up of the shoe, I kind of overdid it with the tape. But I think the glue and stuff can clean off. Is it stuck? Oh God, look at her. She's stuck. So I'm going to take and I'll wrap this other one and we'll see if it held up. After I'm going to try to clean it off too. So I cleaned the shoe up a little. It needs a little bit more cleaning. But yeah, it's pretty stout. If you look, ugh, I can't pull it apart. I probably would break the shoe somewhere else. It did foam out, if you can see inside. Let's see. What's a flashlight? There you go. If it'll focus. It did foam out a little bit on the inside. That's major. You can trim that up. But yeah, just a little bit of cleaning and scraping with a razor blade. You know, cleans that up. Take I guess a black magic marker and paint that black so it'll match. But the tape poured the ink off the shoe. I guess, was that shoe polish? I don't know much about shoes. I don't know. But this was either painted or something and that tape just yanked it off. It gives it kind of a style, don't it? I don't know what you would call it style. But that's a finished shoe. Gorilla Glue does work on repairing a broken shoe. That's great. Just used less than I did. So thanks for watching. If you're new, get subscribed. Drop a like. Leave a comment. I'll see you next time.